Well, just looking at KwaZulu-Natal and the COVID-19 virus that has been spreading, with 7 people now reported to have the virus. We're actually coming from the Nelson Mandela capture site, which is also a heritage site here in the Midlands. And this is an area that is synonymous with a lot of tourists that come in. There's a lot of tourists that flock from all over the country as well as internationally to come and experience a part of South Africa's history. Now, with the COVID virus being present in this area, with Hilton just being a few kilometers away from this particular site, a lot of people have been afraid that maybe tourism would not actually do that well come the Easter holidays here in KwaZulu-Natal. I am standing with a group of tourists who have come from Johannesburg. Ma'am, just tell us, what brings you to Durban, and has the virus in any way affected your perception of travelling to the province?
We are from Johannesburg, and we have been travelling for a month, and we were in Natal when we heard about the virus spreading to Natal. At the moment, I don't think it's that serious. I think you have to watch where you go and just keep your sanitary things that you need, your sanitary towels and you'll have to yeah, and just watch what you are, you just be aware of it. I think that to go home now and go and lock yourself up at home is not the ideal situation, so that's, yes.
And while you've been in the province, have you been practicing some precautionary measures, any at all?
Well, we are washing hands regularly and trying not to touch things. As I say, it's just suddenly spread on us, although we've known about it. I don't think it's that serious that so many people are dying from it. So I think just watch what you're doing, and that's, yes.
Thank you so much for your views. And I think a lot of people back at home have been warned and told to wash your hands, to wear masks if you're in a space with a large group of people who are coughing, but also just to practice general hygiene problems. And I'm just going to bring this gentleman in here. You told me that you went to Clicks and everything was out of stock.
Everything was sold out. So what must I do? I can't stop living. I'm not going back home. I'm going to enjoy my holiday. I'm going to see the sites that we've planned to see, and we just take the necessary precautions. Wash our hands, normally soap, normally hand dry towels, and don't touch people and hug people that you don't know. And we're going to see the sites that we think is interested in South Africa.
And a lot of health practitioners have been telling the general population that it's just a severe case of flu. You coming from Johannesburg, do you think that this is just a widespread panic?
I think it's necessary to inform the people. I think what the government is doing right now is good, to inform everybody where the situations are. So we are aware of it, but I don't think at this stage it's in South Africa a death sentence and go home and lock yourself up. I don't think that's necessary. I think enjoy yourself. I think the health department, they know what they're doing at this stage.
Thank you very much for your time. So those are 2 tourists from Johannesburg who have descended into the beautiful KwaZulu-Natal province to experience some of the many activities that the province has on offer, one being the capture site here in the Midlands, but also saying that they're not going to allow this widespread panic, the COVID-19 virus, to affect their travelling. And I suppose many back at home who have also set their, sights on coming to KwaZulu-Natal.